Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video today, I'm gonna share 10 to 11 unique Rakhi outfit ideas. If you are tired and fed up of boring and repetitive festive outfits and you want to try out something different with a combination of modern and traditional touch, then you are watching the right kind of video. So let's get started with the first look. I'm wearing this unique top or tunic or kurti. It has got beautiful design pattern on the neckline and sleeves. It has this sort of monochromatic thread work or embroidery all over. It has this sheer fabric, but it comes with a lining of this beautiful peach color. For this first look, I decided to pair it up with my cotton pants. These cotton pants have this beautiful bell bottom shape and they feature bold print border. The border has color combination of orange, peach, black, blue and some sort of grey sort of color, and these pants go really well with this tunic or top. Now why I'm calling this a unique top, because it can be styled in many different ways. It can be worn as a western top or it can be worn as a traditional kurti as well. For the choice of shoes and bag, I'm keeping it very simple. I'm wearing these neutral pointed toe pumps and I decided to style this outfit with this taupe colored bag. And here we have this really classy sort of traditional modern work outfit ready. Yes, this is the outfit for the work for festive wear. In case if you have small celebrations at your office, then this is the kind of outfit you can wear. Let's turn the previous festive work outfit into a festive Raksha Bandhan outfit. Now I decided to go ahead with gold accessories this time. I'm wearing these really pretty bold statement earrings, and that's the reason I decided to change my shoes as well. For the footwear, I'm wearing these gold ballet flats. These are Punjabi juttis and they go really well with the choice of earrings. And also I'm carrying this gold clutch bag. It goes well with the jewelry and the footwear as well. Now because I already have this sort of combination of modern and traditional pieces, the embroidery here represents the traditional kurta or tunic, and these bell bottom cotton pants, they feature sort of unique western wear, and this is how you can mix the pieces together to create unique outfits. If you're not into heavy pieces like heavy dupattas, heavy anarkalis or very colorful suits, these are the kind of outfits you can opt for. I will also give you another example in the next look, but this is how you can add a touch of gold or silver, which will help you instantly elevate your outfit. Girls who are into modern contemporary fashion and they want to ditch their typical traditional outfits on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, they can simply opt for similar kind of look. I'm wearing this western tunic or top. It has bright colors. It has got orange, peach, white and some sort of burgundy color as well. The color of the top goes really well with the print on the border of the bell bottoms, and this helps in tying up the whole look. Now I wanted all the focus on my outfit, so I'm keeping my shoes simple. For footwear, I'm wearing these neutral pumps, and when it comes to jewelry, I decided to add right pieces. Like I absolutely love these earrings because they add the touch of modernity to the whole outfit, and also I'm wearing this gold clutch. These two pieces look so well put together with the whole entire outfit. If you have similar sort of pants in your wardrobe, try pairing up with the western tunics or tops which are not too short or too long, and you will have instantly a festive outfit ready. Just add little bit of jewelry and right kind of footwear or a bracelet, and that's pretty much it. And now we have this sort of very modern, chic Raksha Bandhan outfit ready. In case if you have forgotten about your beautiful long kurtas, I'm here to remind you. I absolutely love the neck of this kurta and also this colorful bold print all over. I decided to pair it up with my navy really wide legged palazzo pants. These pants have pockets on both sides. Now I designed this kurta out of an old sari and it turned out really well. Every time I have worn it in the past, I have got so many compliments. Now I made it sure to keep high slits because that way it is easy to access both the pockets of the bottom wear and it looks very chic and modern when paired up together. For the choice of shoes and bag, I'm keeping it really simple because my kurta already has a lot of colors. I decided to wear these black pointed toe pumps and I'm carrying my basic black office bag, and this is how chic of an outfit you can create by simply wearing your old long kurtas. This is a perfect work outfit during the festive season which you can wear to office and it looks very modern at the same time. So this is how you can mix the modern and traditional pieces and style them in similar way and utilize your saris as well. Let's transition the previous festive work outfit into a Raksha Bandhan outfit by adding few pieces here and there. I'm wearing this bright red colored dupatta which goes perfectly with the red color in the kurta, and also the gold border of the dupatta complements the yellow color in the kurta. I'm wearing the same navy blue wide legged cotton pants here. Earlier I was wearing heels but I changed them to these gold ballet flats. I'm wearing these Punjabi juttis. The gold color in them matches with the border of the dupatta and it helps in blending all the three pieces put together. If you want, you can go ahead with red lip color or some pieces of jewelry, but I personally thought that I did not need anything like that because the whole outfit was looking gorgeous as it is. This is how you can mix the pieces. It is again a mixture of modern and traditional touch, and this is how gorgeous it looks put together. Let's not take simple outfits for granted. I'm wearing this simple white kaftan kurta here. I absolutely love this floral print. It has got color combination of pink and light blue sort of mixed grey color and I love it. It also has lace all over on the sleeves, on the hemline of the kurta, on the front and back. I'm simply pairing up with my white pants. These are really flowy, soothing fabric pants which are perfect for summers. In case if it is very hot during the occasion of Rakhi, then this is a simple outfit we can opt for. In order to keep this look fresh and pristine, I decided to go ahead with very simple neutral shoes and choice of bag, and this is how I would style personally if I have celebrations in my office. I think this is a really fresh and very classy look which is perfect for the festivities or small gatherings or celebrations in the office. It looks chic and professional at the same time, a very refined fresh look, perfect for summers. So if you have kaftan kurtas, you can style it them in the same way. For the festive periods when you want to keep things simple and really comfy, this is such kind of look. I'm wearing this beautiful pink dupatta. It has got white print all over. It also has pink and silver tassels on both sides, which helps in adding those beautiful festive vibes. Same goes with the pants. I changed from white to pink. These pants have this beautiful border with white thread work with sequin work as well. And same goes for my earrings. I wanted to add a little bit of that festive vibe, so I went ahead with these black metallic pearl earrings. And for the choice of shoes, I'm keeping it very simple. For footwear, I decided to wear these blush pink ballet flats, and that's pretty much it. This outfit was for the audience who do not have something certain planned and they are far away from their home, and they can simply grab their kaftan kurta and go for colorful dupatta or bottom wear, and that's pretty much it. If you want, you can ditch your dupatta. If you do not like wearing dupatta, that is also fine. This time I'm wearing this beautiful unique kurta. It has got beautiful neckline with these silver beads all over, and same tiny silver beads go on the chest area as well. Now it has different kind of cut and shape, and it's pretty unique because it's really flowy. It has sort of frog shape, but still it looks so beautiful when I wear it. Talking about the border of the kurta, it has got mixture of copper, gold and brown color detailing at the hemline and the sleeves as well. That's the reason I'm wearing these brown pants. These are not leggings, they are pants. And also I consciously chose to wear these mustard brown mules. They are platform mules, and I wanted to mix the modern and traditional pieces. Now here we have this beautiful traditional kurta and western pants and mules, and this is how you can mix the pieces together. And now we have this beautiful work outfit which is perfect as a festive wear as well. And to break the monotony, I'm carrying this black bag, and that's pretty much it. Let's turn the previous look into a Raksha Bandhan festive look. I'm wearing these statement earrings. I have worn them before as well, and this time I changed my pair of shoes. I'm wearing these gold ballet flats or Punjabi jutis because they go really well with the color of the border of my kurta. If you look closely, my border of the kurta has this sort of mix of copper, gold mix colors, and same goes for the detailing on the sleeves as well, although it also has silver color in the beads, but I wanted to stick to gold color because I already have these pair of shoes which blend perfectly with the whole entire outfit. And I'm carrying this same clutch, and this is how easy it is to elevate your outfit by adding right kind of accessories. Now practically it's not possible to match your bag with your shoes, but I would highly recommend to have something in gold and silver because it goes really well with almost everything in your wardrobe when it comes to festive wear. A quick tip or reminder that how you can use your old lehengas and style them like shararas with your beautiful kurtas on the occasion of Rakhi or Raksha Bandhan this time. I'm wearing this pale yellow kurta. It has got thread work on the neckline, beautiful embroidery on sleeves and on the front. The pale yellow color and green color of the embroidery helps in binding up the overall look. It goes really well with the gold and green tones in the lehenga. You can wear it as it is without dupatta, or if you want you can add dupatta as well. I wanted to show you how it looks with the dupatta as well, and here is this gorgeous look. In case if you want to know how to style a lehenga in many different ways, I am sharing the link in the description box. That was pretty much it for today. My humble request is to like, share, subscribe this video. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.